In this part, we start using onSnapshot to real-time fetch the chat. We do this is because compared with fetching the users, chats are changing more often. For example, if we click on this, it will create a new chat, so it will have a new change. And if someone sends the message, it also has a change. So we are going to use the onSnapshot in this part. And so we go back to the sidebar.js, and if we go to the top, we have to import the onSnapshot, and then we are going to create a new state, and we set chat, and this is also an empty array, and we capitalize the C, and we are going to add another use effect, and we are going to point to the DB with the collection name chat, and we just want to fetch those chats with user that contain the current user. So he just needs to display the chat that he is involved. So we use the onSnapshot to get the query snapshot, and actually you can see this is very similar, but we set the chat under the onSnapshot, and so we are going to add the dot data and also the ID. And if we go to here, we now don't want to display the friends, and we also don't want to display the chat component at this time because we have more detail need to add to the chat component later. So we just type chat.map and then chat, and we just return a simple div, and which contain the chat.id, and we also need to pass the key, and the key is equal to chat.id, and we just want to prove that we already get the chat successfully. We back to the website, we can see this document ID, and if you look at this, and the ID is exactly the same as this one, so which implies that we already get this document successfully.